It's 1:42. The snow is relentless on its 14th hour now, almost 14 hours since noon yesterday. So it's gonna keep falling until 6 o'clock in the morning today. Yesterday was the second snowstorm for the year 2019. It's just pure powder right here, and the streets are pretty much empty. That's Harvard Avenue looking south, and over there, right there is Eastlake. Right there is towards University Bridge, and as you can see, the snow is cascading in all directions. It's a pretty sight, but it will be a nightmare for motorists as soon as the snow melts. Hopefully it doesn't melt and turn into ice within the next few days, because again, that would be a nightmare. You know, right now it's still okay because it's powder. So I shot a video yesterday, 4 or 5 of them. I put it all together, but I couldn't figure out how to upload it. You know, it said published on YouTube, but you know, there's no video. It's, you know, those square and 3 dots. So yeah, it's coming down now. So the streets are pretty much covered with snow right there. Powder. You know, the ski resorts will probably have a lot of skiers and snowboarders. I'm pretty sure the ski resorts will have a busy time this weekend. It'll be packed. I'm pretty sure of that. I'm thinking of going to the resort, but I don't know. It's gonna cost me at least $192. So anyway, I think I'm just gonna take a picture. I'm just gonna take a picture and post it on Twitter and Instagram. Right up there is my unit on the other side. So when I post this video, if I'm successful enough, if any one of you would be kind enough to help me out as far as uploading, you know, I put together 5 short videos, a total of 14 minutes and 52 seconds. It's on iMovie. It took forever. I mean, it was very slow, and it indicated it's already published, but when I clicked on it, it's just the square and 3 dots. So the video didn't successfully upload. So if any one of you would be willing to help me out, just if I'm able to upload this one, just send me a message. Okay, bye for now.